Welcome kids! It's light green color, it's orange color, it's light pink color. Today we will trace and paint the shapes Pentagon, Octagon and Crescent. It's Pentagon. It has 5 sides. It's Octagon. It has 8 sides. It is Crescent. It has moon shape. It's Pentagon, it's Octagon, and it's Crescent. Let's paint. I use light green color in Pentagon. I used orange color in Octagon. I use light pink color in Crescent. Let's read with me. Pentagon, Octagon, Crescent. Pentagon has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Octagon has 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Crescent has moon shape. If you enjoy my video, like, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you for watching.